What's up, YouTube family? Welcome to Kickclusive Exclusive with your host, Carlos. So I'm hoping everybody's staying safe with the whole COVID-19. Hopefully everything gets to open back real soon. But if you don't already know, we're doing curbside pickup at our Richfield Park store. So make sure to check that out. And with enough talking, let's just get to the shoe of the day. So we got these bad boys right here. These are the Nike SBs highs, the strawberry cough. These are a little bit early. We got them with no box at the moment because, you know, release date was supposed to be for 4/20, but they got pushed back and we saw the reverse skunks release. These don't got a set release date yet, sometime during the summers, but rumor has it that it's going to be sometime in July, so stay tuned for that. So let's check out these bad boys and review them. So the first thing you see throughout the shoe is all the red. You got the red polka dot throughout the shoe on the front top. Then on the toe area, you got a nice soft leather, let's say, and it has a different shade of red, so you could have two different shades and then bring a nice contrast. So then when you get to the back of the shoe, you got a rugged suede with a nice soft Velcro, and then you got a little mint green pull tag. What makes this shoe very nice and iconic, you got the little strawberry logo on the side. It's coughing for the strawberry cough, and as you know, it was named after a strand of marijuana. So the rugged suede resembles that. They come with an extra lace, well actually two different ones. It's that soft red to match the toe cap area, and then you got the darker green just to give it more a good contrast. You got the thick dope rope laces, and at the bottom of the shoe they're translucent. When we get to the inside of the shoe, we got a couple pretty cool concepts. Let's take out the insole so you guys can check it out. So the insoles itself, you got the coughing strawberry, and it looks like it's under the influence. And then inside the shoe, on the tongue, you got a little secret compartment pocket. For you guys, you know what's that for. These are a must cop for me. I'll say resell on these, well at the moment, I see them from $2,000 to $3,000. After release date, depending how hard it's gonna be, I'll say they'll definitely stay around $1,000 to $1,500 because the demand of dunks are really high at the moment. So 2020, these are gonna be the shoe of the year or the dunks. So between all of them, there's three top shoes. It's gonna be the chunky dunkies, strawberry cuffs, and then you got the reverse skunks. But them reverse skunks is almost nobody was able to touch them. But what do you guys think about these? Are you excited for the release? Are you excited that Nike's doing a lot of dope releases? But like always, thank you for watching. We appreciate all the love and support. And up next, more quality picks and none for review.